Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ha ka arpa praterik mentau benai kelalingkon arah Jhadc kandai. Ke UDP kelap penbenaru iki Kyrteng jong ki Kyrteng. Ki banyak hon ya ke election MDC mentau senam arah Jhadc kandai, Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, bat Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. Ki Kyrteng nak benta ke JHADC ki kentok yo ba hopping stone bare uban yakon nak sutnga Narwan constituency nang ta ukrisan langstang na sumer bat uba fineliness bare na rembai clearian nak benta ki ban yakon yak election MDC syaka KHADC pan u president barem ka Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Youth Wing BJP uba agent star Kurkalang un yakon nak nongkrem constituency East Khadc district nang ta uba Ecuador nongrang na Mairang West Khadc district bat uba FD Ramsiet unyakon na Umroi constituency Ribhoi district.
From 24 Sutna Narwan, the candidate is Hoppingstone Bare. Hoppingstone Bare. From 24 Sutna Narwan, Hoppingstone Bare. And then from 26 Sumer, Krison Langstang. Krison, Krison Langstang, and then from 23 Rembai Clearia, Fineliness Bare, and then all these we are from East Jhadc Hills, and then we also have from East Khadc Hills, that is from Nongkrem. We have Agent Star Kurkala, who resigned from the BJP, president of the youth wing of the BJP in the state. Now he's going to contest from our party. And then we have one more from West Khadc Hills, that is the sitting MDC, Equator Nongrang. From Mairang. From Umroi, we had 5 applicants. And finally we have taken the decision to give for contesting the elections to FD Ramsey. Yeah, he's going to contest from Umroi. So far, as far as the declaration of the candidates are concerned, from Shillong City, out of 6 we have completed, out of 6. From West Jhadc Hills, out of 20, another 6 are left from West Jhadc Hills. From East Jhadc Hills, out of 9, we have declared 8, only 1 left in East Jhadc Hills. From East Khadc Hills, out of 11, we have declared all 11. From Southwest Khadc Hills, out of 2, we have declared voted 2. From West Khadc Hills, out of 5, we have declared 2. 1 is left because the other 2 remaining seats we have given to HSPDP from Ramprai and Motion Road. And from Ribhoi district, out of 5, only Jirang is left. Out of 5, only Jirang. So this so far is the number of seats being declared by the party.